just hit me with a ball. This is me saying yes to trying out a new couple of things. Hi guys, it is I think 12 o'clock a.m. I'm sitting right in front of the beach. They're playing games, but I'm really not interested in the type of games they're playing. However, let's take a moment to appreciate this. I really just enjoy sitting in front of the beach, listening to the waves, and I don't know, I'm having fun. Hi guys. So I'm currently in my tent and I just want to show you guys what my tent looks like. This is like I think this is my second time in a tent. The first time I think I went camping. So I'm adventurous like that. I like to do adventurous stuff. The people are watching movies, but I don't really feel like it because I've seen the movie they're seeing. They're seeing Pirates of the Caribbean Sea. But I want to show you guys what my tent looks like. It is spacious and I am directly in front of the beach. Like I can hear the waves. I'm sure you guys can hear it too. But this is what the place looks like. What do you guys think? That's my carry-on bag that has like my clothing and stuff, my blankets. That's my junk. And that's the beach right there. So far so good. I am enjoying my experience here. Anyways, I'm gonna try to wash my face and do my skincare because you can't miss skincare, right? And I'm gonna sleep. We have an early morning tomorrow. I think we're having yoga in the morning. So yeah. So we just woke up and the people are doing treasure hunts. Thank you guys for watching my vloggy vlog. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Guy, I can't remember everything, but it was like sunrise stretches. So that's like yoga. What we're doing now, something ruins, island ruins. So it is very close to the ruin. Thank you very much for the. How do you feel? I feel like I was trying to find treasure. But you get groggy for by the way. I feel like I was trying to find treasure. I was just like, you know, find it. Just doing, you know. Guys, we just came back from the yoga session where we went to. I picked up this cute little rock on my way as a souvenir. I picked these two. I picked two. They don't look like a bird. Guys, good morning. So it happens to be my birth month and I'm deciding to say yes to a couple of things. Say yes to treating myself well, say yes to taking care of myself, say yes to going out, exploring, adventure, doing the things that I would normally not do. And on this episode of Living Life, I decided to I'm at like a beach house, and I went as a group, even though I was like solo, but I said yes. And I'm really excited as to what the journey looks like. And I'm gonna be taking you guys on this journey. I'm gonna have like a vloggy vlog, and I'm also gonna try to post more on my YouTube page. I'm gonna have like a berry prep video coming up soon, so you guys should watch out for that. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Okay, bye. It has been a long, eventful day, but it's time to return back to our house. Ready for everybody so we can leave. We just left the jetty and we're off to our various destinations. This is Loving, and he's going to be featuring in my vlog because he's an interesting person. We fight a lot, which is weird. Don't do that, I'm not going to show you again. Okay. We fight a lot, but what can I say?
We're falling in love a lot.
Bye guys.